So we just got to Wissahickon Trail. So we're gonna see how this turns out. We each took a scoop of Rhino's Black Series pre-workout. So this should be fun.
Yeah, this people's
It's gonna be awesome.
He's making me his slave. He's making me carry all that shit. Man.
Alright, don't say that, please. Like, how nice that is, waterfalls. Yeah, we're pretty high.
Alright.
Don't do drugs, kids.
Don't touch me. I'm gonna hold you. I'm gonna hold you. I swear. Don't. Put the bug on you. Got you. Yo, I'm gonna fall in. No, come on, man. I don't trust it, man. Because if one of us fall, we all fall. Ain't that right, guys?
No. Go.
Oh, fuck! My arm! My fucking arm!
Christian is getting creek water right now. And Jabril said he'll drink it.
That's fucking gross!
What, your sweaty pits? Just zoom in on that.
Your mom put.
Oh.
I forgot he's recording.
Son, if you want to come
extra
in.
cold. Y'all trying to give me something. It's extra cold because it's fucking
the creek, alright? Like, I didn't have any
saying, like, man, come on, open that shit up.
Am I drinking it?
Yeah. You want any drink this water? What are you doing? Oh, that one went right down, yo. Stop!
So sunset is in about an hour, so we're just gonna head back now. We're not that far back, but it's getting really chilly. It was always chilly since we started, but now it's really cold. All of this is free, guys, so like just find a park, you know, just a nice trail around where you live. This is actually pretty far from me. It's about 40 minutes from where I live, but it's well worth it. Like, it's peaceful and soothing. And this is all free, so you don't, you know, you're just like, I'm getting to the point where I'm enjoying a lot of these things in life. Like, I'm 18 right now, so I'm all these trails and just I'm loving nature right now, which is really, like, it's awesome. Parkour, Jabril. Okay. And as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't leave without subscribing. Thanks for watching.